Hi everyone, I just thought I'd come on and show you how to do one of these canvases. I've had a couple of requests for them. It's just I've had so many people requesting it, and so I might as well show them how to do it. Now what I've done, I'm just doing a small canvas just to show you how to do them. And I've taken a knife and I've slit it straight down from the top to the bottom, side to side, and then corner to corner. And you don't have to go right in. And then all you do is you peel them back wherever you want to, or you can have that done like that. Just let me show you. Sorry, you can pull it back and bend it like that, and then you can curl that eventually, or you can twist them in like that. I'm not bothered which way mine goes at all, so I'm just going to glue this one in like that, like a cone. And that's all I'm going to do basically for that one. I mean, that one's the opposite way, and they're all different ways. It doesn't matter, whatever. Oh, my glue gun is. I need the other glue sticks, and I'm waiting for them to come in. See, I'll do that, and then I will curl that one back. I think I'll curl that one under. So I hope you can see what I'm doing. You just do whatever you like with them. And they're just great. They're really fun. I'm going to add some texture to this one. Now, I'm going to have that one. Oh, come on, glue stick. Glue gun, I mean. I'm just going to add that one like that and just hold it in to dry. I might just pin that one back like that as well. So I'm just going to pin that one back like that. Like that. Okay, so, and then what I'm going to do, hope you can see this, I'm just going to get my textured modelling paste. This is a, now am I using that one or not? Shall I use the other one? I just get the ordinary modelling paste out, I think. And a brush. Ray's just come in and I'm just filming. How's that? I guarantee he's going to come in. Just when you're trying to get on. Just take some modelling paste, and this is the Winsor & Newton, just plain. I put them in. I'm in the middle of filming. And I'm just going to texturise this. And I'll leave the corner bits and just do that in a minute when I've got this set down. And this will have to dry, so I will prepare the backboard that's going in it. So right now I'm just going to, if I can grab hold of it somehow, finish the sides like that. So that's great. I'm happy with that. Just put my brush to soak, just to get the size of the board. Use one of these, it's just as good. Now to get the size, don't measure it like that, bring it in top and side about 1 centimetre, like that, and you'll get a perfect fit. Just mark it off and then cut it, and it doesn't matter about that bit there, you're not going to see it, and that is your perfect fit, like that, a good edge all the way around. Now first of all, what I'm going to do, let me see, yeah, I'm going to have to mark that a little bit, so just get my ruler. If I mark that in 2 centimetres, like that, I'm just giving myself a guide for the background. Let's see. So I can go over it slightly, but it'll just give me the guide for it. Just pop that one back so I don't need that one anymore. So what I'm going to do now is just give that a lick of paint, which is the white acrylic. So what I'm going to do is it's just a quick flick of paint. Yeah, Ray's just come in and said, "What are the dogs doing in the cage?" Put them in there and out of the way. We're messing and fighting about. They can play in the cage. It's a big one that we have in the kitchen. Really big. And there's plenty of room for the pair of them. You know, when they're not even 6 months old, they're still puppies, although they're big. Huge! One of them is. Lucky, in your cage. No, you've got to go in the cage, Lucky. Get in the cage. Lucky, in your cage. In. Lucky, get in your cage. Right, Lucky, close the door. Good boy, close it. Good boy, leave. Leave. Close the gate. Close it. Good boy. Gate. Lucky, close the gate. Get in. Go on, close the gate. Good boy, stay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave. Leave. Ah. Good boy. Lucky, open the gate. Open it. Come on, come to Mama. No, it's shut now. Stop. Not yet. Right, no, no. Stop. Stop it. Lucky, stop. Come here. Here, cuddles. Come for cuddles. Okay, now go to bed. Bed. Get in, Lucky. You need to get in. Lucky, stop. Get in. You in. Close the gate. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Good boy. Close it. Good boy. Stay. Stay. You are a good boy. So all I'm going to do now is just to check very carefully that yes, that will definitely cover that. So that's fine. That's all I need for that. And I'm going to dry that off and stencil it. So I will need the modelling paste back again. Let me dry the paints. I just thought I'd come on and show you a small one. I mean, you could paint the whole one white, but it's silly because what I find is that the chipboard with the paint on doesn't stick to the back of a canvas as much as what it would, unless you've got a stapler, of course, and I can't find my big one. It's gone astray, and it will just glue into the back. So I'm going to stencil this now, and I have this, which I quite like the pattern on this one. Take my modelling paste like that. And just peel that back, leave that to one side a minute, and then all I'm going to do is clean any excess up, is take all that excess off around the edge. I don't want to prevent anything from sticking. Wipe that clean. There we go. Pop that back. I shall wash that shortly. And we're going to dry this off. Now you can wait until it starts to bubble, you know, and it gives it a little bit more dimension. See, it's starting to raise it up. I'm not sure if you can see that. I think that's it, hopefully. Yeah. I've got this, which is the Viva, and it's the pink, pearlised pink. I think that's enough to spread over. And then what I'm going to do with it is just take a baby wipe. This might have to be done in a couple of videos, I'm not sure yet. Just take a baby wipe and scrape a bit of that off to get that shabby chic look. Like that, I love that. That's what I want. And then I'm going to dry that. Now don't worry if you don't have stencils. If you have embossing folders, then you can get that similar sort of look. You just emboss your card and stick the card onto the background. So just think outside the box of different ways you can do things. And that's just to try and go over the raised areas. Not bothered if it goes on the background at all. Like that, that's fine. Now, what we're going to do is dry this off. It doesn't take long to dry. And then what I'm going to do is just, because I haven't done it yet, is just to paint the inside of the frame. Now I'm taking my time with this. Normally I would have had this canvas done by now, because they are very, very quick to do. But I just want you to be able to see it step by step. Okay. So we'll just pop that down, clean that off, put that to dry, wash I mean, and we're just going to quickly dry that off. Yeah, that's going to look fab. So I'm leaving that out at the moment. We're going to decorate this. Now I'm just going to spray it. I need my little tub that I spray with. I swapped all my tubs round and cleaned up yesterday, and oh. Now what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of paper, just so that it's easier to wipe clean when I've finished. And I can use that anyway. Now, it is pink. So the first one I've got is the Sprinkies, and this is the raspberry. And I'm just going to, it's quite pink, but it'll match. Okay. Don't forget to spray it in the, because I'm holding it wrong, let me just try and lift that up. In the nooks and crannies. You go down into those. Oh, I get covered in this stuff. And then what I'm going to do is lay that down and just spray the inside of it, because I'm holding it at the wrong angle. Take the tissue off, mate. Okie dokie, and then I have, look, I'm pink. Useless. Okie dokie. Just gonna shift that out of the way and wipe it clean. Right, so we're just gonna dry this off. I need that tray out, don't I? Because I'm doing another colour, silly arm. Nearly said something else then, ladies. I love the texture on it. Right, I hope that's nice and clear again. And we'll finish off. Now what I'm doing is... Sorry, that's Ray's just come in again. Cheers. Bringing me dinner. Right, what I'm going to do next is... I've got this gold, which is a cosmic shimmer, and it's the golden fish. And I'm just going to add that. It's beautiful colour. Do you know what? I actually want to change the colour. I don't know whether to. I might do, actually. I'm going to add a bit of something else into it. It's because I don't... I'm just like that sometimes. I am. Right, I've got this, and I haven't got much left, so I'm going to have to be careful with it. It's the refill. Sorry, the Distress Ink walnut stain, so I really need to get another one of those. But I just wanted to change it slightly. And what you do is you... Oh, come on, it's because the water's running low. And I'm just going to take a sponge and dab that all over. I just wanted to tone down that pinkiness. I might just add a bit more. That will do. And just spray that again. Must go get some water. Cause me running out. I want that go in there. That's it. So just tone that down slightly. Yeah, I like that. That'll do. Now what I'm going to do with this, I am going to give it a coat of, now shall I? No. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'll give it a bit of a sheen, I think. I was going to do Mod Podge, but you don't have to. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this on. It's a clear embossing powder. And while it's wet, you see, and damp, it'll stick to it. You don't need to have anything on it. I've told you before, I've covered flowers, wet the flowers with water, and then just use the embossing powder, and it works just the same. So you don't actually need the other embossing ink. It's just to give it a bit of a shimmery look. This is what I love. Play around, experiment, and see what you can come up with. I've done this technique before, though. Let's see if I can melt that one a little bit more. And I love just adding things. I'm going to add some more in a minute. Right, hopefully let the heat gun cool down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop this back in the tub because I want some more colours. So what I'm going to do is just reheat that. And then just sprinkle a bit of copper over it. That's what I like to play. Turn the heat gun on. Now, I know when I was selling the Cosmic Shimmers, many people bought them, and I'm wondering how long they've been sat on your shelf unused. You need to get them out and play with them. It's stunning. I don't know if you can see that. Look, it's just gorgeous. And that's fine for me. I don't really want to do any more with it whatsoever. That's the colour I've got. That's going to look fab in the background. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okie dokie, so now what I've got to do is just attach everything that I want to attach. Let's have a look. Now I'm not sure whether to just, oh, he looks cute, or she, whichever you are. Do you know, I might just do that and glue that as is. Right, okie dokie, what I'm going to do now is attach this. Let me just see. Right, what we'll have to do then is just glue this on. Okie dokie. So I'm just going to turn that way and glue that on. So I've got that. You can't see anything else. It's all fitted perfectly. And then all I'm going to do is, oops-a-daisy, is just glue this end as well. And then what I'll do is I'll find where my staple gun is and staple it. But that will hold that for now. That's fine. I'm thrilled with it. I love everything about it. Love the texture, love the colour. And right now, I don't know whether I want to put him in there now. Do I? I don't know. I do actually. I do like it. So he's going in, regardless. You're going in, pal. There you go. Like that. And I'm just going to get some flowers, because he does need flowers. Now, you don't have to worry about mixing your flowers at all. You know, you can put in, they don't have to be coloured. I mean, I could have coloured them if I was doing that type of canvas. But I've just chosen to do this one. So what I'm going to do is, I think, glue my first flower there. I need a bigger rose though. I'm going to use one of these. I don't care what the colour is at all. Like that. And then I'm just going to add a couple more flowers to that. Because you can have any flower you want. And I do like to mix mine. So I'm just going to add a flower there. Here's another one. And slot one in there. And I want some small ones. Yes, I like that. So, I hope you do. And I hope that's helped. Experiment. Mix and match what you've got. Look at the beautiful, beautiful colouring in this. Greens and blues and pinks. Coppers and golds. Stunning. Thanks for watching. Take care. Try it. Bye-bye for now.